Hello, and in this video we'll be solving Project Euler's 16th problem. So, we basically have two, like, was it? Like 2 by the power of 15, and then we add digits together, and what's the sum of the digits of number 2 by the power of 1000. So, if we do, basically have a number. We're gonna have data to contain like the digit and then the answer. So we're now going to stringify A, then data.append. That means it'll add the number to the list. So now it's going to iterate through every part of the data dictionary, and then we're gonna let add together, and then we just print out the answer, and bingo, we've got our answer 1366, and it is correct. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, I appreciate it when you do that. Goodbye, I'll see you in the next video.